Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it? Uno need to hear this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
In a dramatic turn of events, the St. Catherine North Police rescued a Spanish town businessman who had been kidnapped by gunmen. The victim was taken away from his Brunswick Avenue business place by armed men who allegedly demanded an undisclosed sum of money for his release. The incident occurred sometime after 11 p.m. My viewers and subscribers, when I hear them something, boy, may I tell you no. So what happened to the gunman them now? Cause they never say nothing about the gunman. But what may I go do? May I go keep an eye upon this and may I go update Alright? If anything else come out, may I go update because normally they wouldn't say if they shoot the gunman them or lock them up or something, but they never say that. You get me? So it's a good thing. I like how them rescue this man. You understand that for sure you say them actually working. So that is a good thing. I'm commend them for that. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, so tell me what you think about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. The Transport Authority is to adjust wrecking fees effective from January the 2nd. The charge for a motor car that's within a 5-kilometer radius of a pound will be $12,000 with a rate of $600 per kilometer over that distance. For motor trucks, highs and coaster buses and similar large vehicles, the new wrecking rate will move to $22,500 within a 5-kilometer radius of a pound, with the per kilometer rate being $800. My viewers and subscribers, I say they no fi if people them. I say they no fi pound them car, You understand? If they not do the right thing, You understand? But my thing is this: the effort where them a put out in this. Why they not put out the effort for fix the pothole them? Because them are same people where them a go trouble them car and say them have to drive in a pothole every single day. You understand me? So the same effort when them a put out for take money off of these people, for put out them the effort there for fixing the road, because it is not fair for people to pay them money, taxpayers money. Do not fix the road, but quick. You understand? Quick for take off people. If somebody now car broke down and somebody want to help somebody with them car, you understand? Go find them. Don't it? So you see the effort wanna put in at this. I want to not put in the effort and fix the road, because of them same road they mash up the people them car. Una can't do things like that. So no want to follow rules and regulations, but really una not follow rules and regulations. Una only follow rules and regulations with certain things when it come to money. When it come to making money, that's all una do. Follow rules and regulations and policies and procedures. And them something not right. It is unacceptable when I put be effort in for making money. So why not put in pay effort for fixing the pothole them? Because me have to defend my drivers them, Yes, me have to defend my drivers them because fear. And enough time then crash because they don't want go down in a pothole. Them same pothole they make people lose them blasted life. I want to know. So Andrew Holness on need to fix the place, fix the road. All wanna think about money every single blasted day. Wanna think about making money. My viewers and subscribers, man, when I see some things in a man, I don't like it in a man. Touch me, Cause me I say, okay, them a put in all this effort. Yeah, for that. So son of put in the blasted effort to fix the pothole them. You not get me, but you not tell me if you not agree with me, yes or no. I tell my phone views and put it in the comment section. Hear this. Two Portland men have been charged with robbery with aggravation and assault occasioning actually bodily harm stemming from a Christmas Day incident in their community. Charged is 23-year-old Chef Anton Grant and 19-year-old Javar Morgan, a laborer both of Plum Valley District, Buff Bay in the parish. Reports from the Buff Bay police are that a man was walking along the roadway when he was attacked by three men. He was struck to the ground by a stone, after which the men proceeded to rob him of his iPhone 12 cellular phone and $40,000. My viewers and subscribers, what really happen in our country? Why? Why on the need to do all of these things? Them something you not right, man. I want them to know. What go on? Them something is not right. Imagine the man are walking in a community and then man just fling stone just for take with the man iPhone and 40,000. Come on, man. What really a good on? What really happening? Sometimes when you see them things are happening, you know, not sometimes when them things happen in their own community, the same people in the community are do it. You understand? It is really sad to know, say you come from that community and you get robbed from the people them in the community. Them something they no fear, man. You understand? And I always tell my black brothers and sisters them, we have to unite together as one. You understand? We need love. We have to have love in our way so we can change. We don't need to just come together as one and unite, man. We don't stop the violence, stop the crime. What really are going on? Come on, man. We have to look out for one another. We have to look out for each others. There's no need to be a robbing and all these things. It's like you have a things and you have a things and you can't even enjoy your things because man are come go and rob you. Them something you not right, my brothers and sisters, man. We are all one, you know. We are all one. We have to come together and unite more. That is what we need to do. You know, get me? But don't tell me one thing here, man.
And flap her out up there. Taya tell her so she can go to KCC anytime. Because she not breathe, she not nobody down at KCC, not take her man. Tell Kenya me say in the day she need blood clot. Kenya walk through KCC. Tell her me say walk through KCC. Because she put up what she need Mrs. Blood Clot Williams. Tell her go through KCC. Say that me a call you, I'm not get to, but me will leave the voice note here. And it's serious. You see, anyway, me book your first concubine, me go bust up Kenya blood clot head. I'm in the business if me want run as no more counselor. And me want Petch to stop work and tell lie for me. Me and Petch call me one night and I carry news to me and me say something to Petch. Me not say nothing bad about Kenya. Petch carry back my name to Kenya. I want me to go chat Kenya with Petch. Kenya, I go call me, I go talk about big dirty stinking Celia. And me dirty pussy daughter wa fuck feather. Tina don't want you for fuck you feather. Remember some me tell you about dirty Kenya. And you get for fuck Kenya. Kenya breed for you and after your eye that blood clot I me know. The baby can't put up the baby father name can't put up and me and hold it down. Feather me not tell a lie. Me love you very much but me got this dirty Kenya. But you know no space down a KCC.
My viewers and subscribers, sorry for the language, but me did want to hear in a Andrew Holness cabinet, out of order and disgraceful, and for them attitudes stink bad. You hear her? On the hear her counselor that, you know? Yeah, man, you know hear what she say? She said she not business. If she not run as counselor no more, because she got bust up girl head. All of these people, this year counselor, yeah. Her name is Celia James, yeah, and she run the constituency for Dallas. You understand me? So sometimes you see the way all them behave, me have to really wonder, and that is the mayor. So the mayor walk and a jokey all of them in the camp. Hey, story come to bump. Me say when me buck up on it, my viewers and subscribers between me and Uno, me say me have to make on a ear this year, cause this is news, yeah. This is news that they on fire. So you see, there's nothing, they don't have nothing about them. Not one good thing about them. Imagine this a counselor woman now, want go bust up girl head and she not care if she want run as counselor no more. You know, sister, she not have no damn sense. You know, sister, they fool. Be an idiot in a Andrew Wellness camp. They not have no head, nothing about themselves. Them a woman they not have nothing about themselves, no values, nothing. Sometimes because I don't see them and things that them a MP or they're not up there nothing.
Tell her this.
My viewers and subscribers, are them a people I will look up to, you know. Them you see the same way how they behave, the same way Andrew Wellness run the country. The same way how you see she behave, as so Andrew Wellness run the country, like a son dirty girl. Yeah, same way. This a woman, you know, eh? This a woman that sound like she vex. And that it sound like to me. It sound like it's either she and the mayor there, or is either she and the mayor there, or she want there with the mayor or something. Because now she want beat up the first concubine. Hey, they at tea, I owe them at so. It's a funny, some people come over and always say, PNP do this and PNP do that. Want to put out the evidence. So how comes JLP business ever leak out? The evidence always there, but for PNP one not leak out. Hey, no sir, them are something I can't believe say them are people here. We, the Jamaican people, I look up to. Eh? And them are people we I look up to, you know. I can't believe this. The mayor him not easy, you know. You see him face and just sit down quiet. The whole of them you see there. And not no good. Simple as you see them there. Simple as you see them there and not no good. This is why they behave so with the people of Jamaica. They have no care in the world. Hey, hear more.
Tell her this. Your baby father if you beg me for cover for blood clot. You no boy will fuck me no ask me for cover for you. Hear for me. Shoot, just put up your baby father name on Facebook and me stop talk to you. Just blood clot put it up. Cause in time me gonna make gang them at how I deal with your pussy clot. Yeah? Me gonna make gang them deal with your pussy clot at how I can. Enough day feather beg me hold it down. Right now me heart a boil and I go call gang them now at how I go blood clot is so.
You wanna hear what she just said, my viewers and subscribers? A bad girl, you know? Celia James, bad girl Celia. Where you say Celia? No, sir. I saw this I hurt Celia. Something in and something Celia, man. Something alright. How I hurt her so? No, sir. You see? Why? A bad people them me dear. Me tell you no about Andrew Wellness camp and I want easy cabinet. People them, bad people them, hear more.
Tell Kenya, me say, go in a cartoon and type in the Indian ask them and she see her blood clot look. She look like the Indian ask them. Unica look better than blood clot, Kenya. Me a big woman and me have a good pussy and a man never beat me yet, Muncie. Man beat blood clot, Kenya. Kenya used to get beaten down here so she can't stand up. Tell Kenya, me say she not use nice cologne neither. I must know she start smell like somebody. Kenya smell like pissy blood clot, Nella.
My viewers and subscribers, wanna hear that? Wanna hear what Kenya smell like? Piscinella. No, sir. Oh, no, sir. This I get out of hand. I saw them Mayor Kingston that, you know. Yeah, man, the woman, them a war over Mayor of Kingston. Real. Delroy Williams. Serious man. The man we go around and joke all of them. Eh? And them something, them are type of people here we give as mayor. Them are people here we Mayor of Kingston. Sometimes when I see certain things, man, me have to laugh. That's why I can't rate them. And when already don't want people calling a sir or mister, go on for go. We don't know dirty lifestyle. Go on for go. We don't know dirty lifestyle, man. Them are kind of something, man. Uno forget rip off. I want a stripe. Uno no have no stripe. A backbench, uno for go. No stripe, uno no have. I'm tell you already, I'm going to say it again. The same way how you see she behave, and I saw Andrew Wellness run Jamaica. You understand? Same way. My viewers and subscribers, I mean, I really have much to say, you know. I just want to know what is going down. So I want to just put an honest opinion in the comment section. Tell me what you think, you know, man. Come on, I hear phone of you span this. Because I know she say, pepper remote. Celia, bad girl Celia. Oh, Kenya, you better run for your life because bad girl Celia a step on your can. And them here cause the whole of them something here, man. So this is how them stay and this is what they do for them dirty lifestyle. And more upon them too. And Uno will hear it. I will be playing it over here, over and over. But sorry for the bad language, but because she's a counselor, I just didn't want to hear how them behave. You understand me? So tell me one thing and put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. Hey, my loving you know. I want to have a happy new year season. Greetings to everybody. Thank you guys for watching my video and liking it for the whole of 2023. Hey, you know some on the road now to 20k. So you just subscribe and get me to 20k, my people. I wish you guys a happy new year and all the best for 2024. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.